Are you tired of guessing whether your emails are actually being read? Stop flying blind and learn to enable email open tracking in Klaviyo in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your account settings, locate the tracking options, enable open tracking, and save your changes. Let's get started. Click your profile, lower left. Then go ahead and click on Settings. Now, click on the Email tab. Then click on Tracking. Track email opens. Then simply click on that box. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. Happy tracking! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.